This is literally my entire life packed in 1, 2 boxes, 3 bags, 4 bags, and 4 suitcases. Okay guys, so this is the big day. I'm moving into my new house in Canterbury. Excuse the way I look. I haven't slept because I had an overnight layover in Berlin and I never sleep in airport, but I'm going to show you my room. Shall I start with the view? The view is pretty cute. I like it. My room is really tiny, but comfy, and it's what you need. I have a sort of bedside table over there. This is my desk where all the magic is gonna happen. Homework, work. Oh, I don't know what that is. And this is what I like to call a walk-in closet. It's not really a walk-in closet, but it's where I'm gonna store my things. So I call it a walk-in closet because you can actually walk in. My memory wall is coming along pretty well. It's gonna be the side with postcards, and on the right I'm going to put pictures. Different pictures from last summer because that was the summer of my life. But this is my favorite picture. From left to right is my grandpa, and then my uncle and my mom when they were little kids, and on the right is my grandma. Love this. Those are some postcards I got from friends, and those are postcards which I bought from Paris, Bath, and Deal. This is the first card I got from my boyfriend's parents. This is a picture a friend took of me in Paris, and this is what came with the flowers my boyfriend sent me for Valentine's Day 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, and this is the first Valentine's Day card he sent me. This is for my birthday from my boyfriend's parents. This is for my friend from New York State. And these are some pictures from work. There's more to come. What is this? This is literally the worst storm I've seen in Canterbury. I went out for a few celebratory drinks with friends for their graduation, and it's just raining, but I can't really keep the umbrella above my head because it's like super rainy and my umbrella broke, so I'm just like trying to cover my head a little bit, and I'm just about 10 minutes away from home. But this road has never seemed longer. Go out, they said. It's gonna be fun, they said. What? I haven't got this wet in a while. I mean, I did in the shower, but not in the rain. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Just applying a tea tree with hazel and charcoal mask. I look a bit funny. Maybe I should go like this on Halloween and I won't have to worry about the costume. The thing is, I'm just treating myself, spoiling myself, doing the things I like, and just generally making the most out of my free time while I still have free time. Yesterday I've seen my timetable for this year for my masters, and it's insane. I had a little panic attack. I'm not sure how I'm gonna handle it, but I'll be calm. I'll take it one day at a time, do my homework, be a good girl, and hope for the best. There's literally nothing more I can do. It's starting to dry out and I look like I have dinosaur skin. Hey guys, I went out for a bit. I went to one of my lectures for university. I went to her birthday and it was fun. It's raining unfortunately, but that's just one of the things you have to get used to if you live in England. Hey, luckily my umbrella works. I thought it was gonna be gone forever after that storm I was into a couple of nights ago. So I'm just gonna go home and chill.